Alright, so today I'm going to be doing a reset of the Wi-Fi on the Kwikset Halo lock. So if you're ever having Wi-Fi issues, this is how you reset. So first, you're going to go and start on the back. You got two options here. You can either take off the screw on the side and take this piece off, or you can just push up right here and that'll get you where we need to go, which is going to be holding the A button. So you have an A button and a B button. We're going to hold the A button here for 10 seconds. So we'll go 1, 2, or I'm not going to count. Once you hear the beep, you're going to continue to hold it until you see the maroon light flash. There we go. And then you'll complete it by clicking the program button, which is the black button right here. And if you see a green light, which we did right there, you reset the Wi-Fi. Now, once you reset the Wi-Fi, you're going to have to reset that up on your Kwikset app. But that right there is how you reset it. If you have any questions or need any help, leave comments. I'm happy to help you out. But that's how you reset the Wi-Fi on the Kwikset Halo lock. Thanks for watching, guys.